Oh, good morning. I'm back at Folly Dolly Falls. You know, with all that wind we've had and the flooding throughout the country, I thought, oh, come out and check these waterfalls. They could be good by now. Yeah, nah, nah. Aye, oh well. You see that? And that's it. Folly Dolly Falls. Let me down again. Probably dump the scooter here. We'll try to ride it down the falls or something like that. I don't know. I'm just over this side, investigating up here. Looks easier to walk up than it is. So I should give it a miss today. But wet and slippy. Not in the mood for that. I was disappointed with that. I'm going to have to, I hadn't really planned a proper walk today, so I need to look at the map and see where to go. This is a dismantled railway path. I don't think it's that long, I think it's only a couple of miles long. I've been to the other end the other day I was down here. Now I'm going down this end, and I think Morrison's is at the end of this. I'm 100% sure, but I think so. This looks like it might have been where the trains turned around, or something like that. Some information boards over here. Meltham Greenway, the railway heritage. Meltham Greenway, David Brown Tractors Limited. Some more tractors there. Sure I drove one like that. I know I didn't drive one with a cab on it, maybe it was a more modern one like that. I didn't have a cab on it. And I used to work for the council and do the gardens. Folly Dolly Falls. Oh, here we go. Mudstone, fault, sandstone. I don't think you can see that, the reflection on there. Bit of science there for you. Oh, that's pretty. I'll have to come back when it snows. It doesn't look like a picture, it looks like a drawing. I do wonder. Anyway, looks like it'd be nice when it freezes over. And natural heritage, flora and fauna. Different birds. Oh, someone's been shooting this one, I thought. Common shrew. Don't think I've ever seen a shrew. Right, I'm up at Blackmoorfoot Reservoir. Looking rather nice. I was hoping to be able to do a circular route around it, but as usual water sealed off the other end, so you can't walk around it in a circular loop. But I'll probably just walk down to the end and back. It sort of spoils it really when you can't walk all the way around like that. This one's for you, Mike. See where it's space? This car just pulled up. Probably not a metre from behind me. Unbelievable.